Favorite ways with pears. At this time of year, one of my family's favorite treats is pears. We eat them raw, as a snack. We eat them in desserts. We eat them in baked dishes. We even can them, so we can enjoy pears throughout the winter. And why not? Packed with vitamins C and K, fiber, and copper, pears are one of nature's great foods. They're even believed to reduce the risk of some cancers, and to lower bad cholesterol. Purchasing pears. Our favorite way to buy pears is to pick them at a local farm. We find that any other source, even farmers markets, really can't touch these freshly picked pears. But sometimes we also buy them from produce stands or the grocery store. But remember, pears, once ripe, rot quickly. If they are hard, let them sit on the counter until they are firm, but not rock hard. Then eat them as soon as possible. Pear desserts. One of the easiest ways to eat pears, apart from snacking on them raw, is to bake them. Simple: peel the pear, add a little liquid, and bake. If desired, pour melted chocolate over the tops. Pear cake is also moist and delicious, and pear crisp is sure to please everybody. To make a crisp, begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F. and heat butter a 9 by 9 inch baking dish. In a pan, combine 6 cups of peeled, cored, and sliced pears, 1/3 cup granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons water and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Bring to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 5 minutes, or until the pears are almost tender. Add 2 tablespoons water and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Stir and cook until bubbly. Pour this mixture into the prepared baking dish. In another bowl, blend together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, or 1/2 cup all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup whole wheat flour, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 3/4 cup uncooked oatmeal, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cut 1 stick of cold butter into small pieces. Mix these butter pieces into the flour mixture using your hands. Spread this oatmeal topping over the pears and bake for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the pear filling bubbles. Other pear recipes. Pears aren't just for sweet dishes, though. They work well in savory dishes, too. For example, try roe deer fillet with pear or duck with pears.